Mi gente, guys, we here in Woodmere, New York, guys. So you guys can see we just finished installing a new air handler or brand new central AC system. So we just finished installing the air handler, and we guys are working right now, finishing up and wrapping up the condenser outside. We just finished installing the line set. You guys can see over here. And then of course I have my guys over here sealing the ducts. So right now we're doing the process of sealing the ducts. He didn't want to replace the ducts. They're in pretty decent shape, even though they're old. It's best to replace them, but they're still salvageable. So I told them at the very least, seal them because they have a lot of air leaks. Seal them up with some cement, and then we're gonna bubble wrap them, which you guys can see is installation. We're doing the process right now as we speak. It's a little hard to see. You can check it out in the video. But guys, this is what I'm talking about. This is what it is. This is the process of installing a central AC system. So right now we're about to get into the summer season. So if that's right, if you guys need a central AC system installed, call Louis the Boilerman, or you have any questions, call Louis the Boilerman, 516-377-5200. Wepa! Guys, we just finished wrapping up. You guys can see we finished doing the bubble wrap on the actual on the air ducts. So we did the whole plenum all the way from the beginning of the run, which is right there at the air handler, right at the takeoff. We call it the plenum, and then of course all the way to the very end. You guys can see. So guys, this is very important because you want efficiency in it. So part of being efficient is making sure that it's airtight. They're not losing any air inside the attic, and of course they want to enjoy the summer with great air conditioning. Definitely don't want to lose some air, cool air on a very hot day, guys. So part of doing this process is making it more efficient. So guys, part of your system is not just doing the central AC system installation, that's just part of it. Always look at your ducts. Your ducts is also the arms and legs of your central AC in essence. So guys, double check everything as a whole. So again, if you have any questions, call me. What are you gonna call them? 516-377-5200. But most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd love to hear from you. Smash that bell button. Leave a comment below. We're out.